and welcome to my page. This is Lily. Okay, this is Friday the 15th of December and next week is Christmas. Wow, it's only like 7 or 8 more days before Christmas, so it's next week Sunday. So anyway, today I was just about to sit down. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today and you're not too busy with yourself, taking some time out and just be still, because Christmas is all about peace. What Jesus brings to us is peace. Be with you all. I think that's the saying anyway, so peace be with you. And so today I'm just going to share with you what I'm going to have for lunch. I think my husband came in, I said, let's have lunch. And he said, let's make a video. So keeping it so we just come back from a walk and I showered and I thought I'd sit down and just have something simple. And okay, here we have something that I'd like to share. So every meal, not every meal, but this one is a special one. This is called a takihi, where I'm from. We make this dish. It's made out of slices of taro, and I'm sure some people are familiar with taro pearls or taro pearls that are in one of those drinks that you'll find. I don't know what they're called, but anyway, you'll find a lot of the Asians do sell them. Okay, so taro sliced, and then pawpaw, and then you slice the pawpaw, so you're layering them. So you got a tin foil or whatever you're going to use, but back in the islands we use banana leaves to make it, to make the takihi in. So okay, so with this one is just taro, pawpaw and coconut cream. Okay, so all you're doing is lay it out. Lay the taro slices first in about that, like a baking dish anyway. So you layer the taro pieces out, and then you put a layer of pawpaw, and then a layer of taro, layer of pawpaw. So usually like 4 times you repeat that, layers. I think you made potato, what's that called, potato bake. It's very similar, but instead you use cream on that. This is coconut cream. Okay, so this is what this dish is called, a takihi, right? All the rest are not, really well. This is just pineapple and coleslaw. Oh, that's a yummy coleslaw, actually. It's got nice chili in there. And of course here we've just got capsicum and lettuce and a tin of tuna. So that's the lunch today, and very simple. Keep it simple, and always make sure to have a lot of salads, I think. Just a little bit of meat, but make sure that you do have a lot of salads in your diet. So we're just gonna get stuck into it now, and I hope that try making something different, like this takihi. I think this will be, try making different salads as well. I think I haven't got any fancy salad here to show off to you, but I think it's very important at this time, especially in our age, my husband, that we need to get into a lot of healthy food, and salads is really recommended more than meat anyway. Okay, so thank you for joining me again with this video, and I hope to see you again on my next YouTube. Please subscribe to my page, and I've got links below this video. Click into those links and join, and you'll see, it's amazing. The cryptocurrency now is mining, and we're really getting into that. So try something different for you and you'll see what it's like. Okay, mining for crypto, coins, and at the moment we've got quite a few. So we've got TRX, we've got crypto.com, we've got Alastron. There's quite a few actually, and Binance is the bank for cryptocurrency that we have in New Zealand at the moment. There's a few banks, but Binance is the one here in New Zealand, and that's where I am talking to you from New Zealand. So have a Merry Christmas, and I look forward to seeing you again on my next video. Subscribe to my page, and we'll see you next time. Cheers for now.